Hello everyone, welcome to the series of SPSS. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to create dummy variable in SPSS. You can find more videos on SPSS, R Studio, econometrics, mathematical economics, and economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the idea of dummy variable. Dummy variable is our nominal variable or a categorical variable. So in this data set, you can see I have the data, hypothetical data on consumption expenditure, income, and location. So here location is our nominal data in which we have three categories. You can see the variable view. In location, I have three categories. One is assigned to rural, two is assigned to semi-urban, and three is assigned to urban. So we have three categories in this nominal variable. Now we want to create the dummy variable for this variable so that we can use the dummy variable or the categorical variable in our regression analysis. Now we know that if we have three categories, we can create only two dummy variables. So one becomes our reference category. You can find my video on how to create dummy variable in the econometrics playlist. The link is given in the description. So let's see how to create dummy variable in SPSS. So you go to transform. In transform, we have the option of create dummy variables. Go to transform. In transform, we have the option of create dummy variables. So click on this. You can see this dialog box on your screen. Now we want to create the dummy variable for location. So select location and move it to the create dummy variable for box. Here we can give the name. You can see root names. So I am giving dummy because we want to create the dummy variable for location. Keep other things unchanged and simply click on OK. So you can see three dummy variables are created. Dummy 1 shows that location is equal to rural. So 1 is assigned to rural and 0 is assigned to semi-urban and urban both. Let me note down. Here, for this, 1 is assigned to rural and 0 is assigned to semi-urban and urban. Now for dummy variable 2 is for location is equal to semi-urban. So 1 is assigned to semi-urban and 0 is assigned to both rural and urban. And for dummy variable 3, dummy 3, 1 is assigned to urban and 0 is assigned to semi-urban and rural. This is how dummy variables are created. Now do not get confused. Here we have three dummy variables. So whenever you use these dummy variables in your regression analysis, make sure you use only two dummy variables. Otherwise, you are committing the error or the mistake of dummy variable trap. Now let's see the data view. See, three dummies are created. Now dummy 1 is for rural. So here you can see whenever you have rural, 1 is assigned. Otherwise, it is 0. You can see semi-urban 0, semi-urban 0, urban is equal to 0. So that is dummy 1. Now in dummy 2, 1 is assigned to semi-urban. See, 1 is assigned to semi-urban and other values are 0. And similarly, in dummy variable 3, 1 is assigned to urban. And for other categories, we have 0. So this is how we create dummy variable in the SPSS. Again, when you are going to use these dummy variables in the regression analysis, make sure you use only two dummy variables because here we have three categories. If you have 4 categories, use only 3 dummy variables in your regression analysis. So if you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.